Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix Snapchat has been temporarily disabled sport code ss06. So how can I fix that? This kind of error occurs due to many reasons. One of the reason is that you change your password again and again, and Snapchat consider is an suspicious activity. That's why they temporarily disable your account. So you have to make sure that you remember your password and do not change it again and again. And after that, how you can fix that error? So you have to make sure that first of all you have to simply press and hold your Snapchat app, and you have to simply open your app setting, and here you have to simply clear the cache of your app. And after clearing the cache, what you have to do is next you have to simply open a browser, and here you have to simply open a new tab, and you have to search for Snapchat Sport. And if you click on Snapchat Sport, then this kind of interface will appear here. So you have to click on my account is compromised. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some second, and here you can click on I can't access my account. And after that, below you have to simply click on I think my account was compromised. But if you forgot your password and you are changing it again and again, then I recommend you to click on I forgot my password. And after that, Snapchat team will tell you how to recover your password. But if you don't have access to your email or phone number, then how you can fix that? For this, you have to simply provide here your username, and after that you have to provide here your email, and here you have to provide your mobile number, and here you have to provide the description of the problem you are facing, which is as hello Snapchat team, I have logged into my Snapchat account and it is showing me due to repeated failed attempts your access to Snapchat account is temporarily disabled, sport code ss06. Kindly help me in this regard, I shall be very thankful to you. So after doing all the things, you have to simply fill the captcha, and after filling the captcha you can simply click on submit, and your form will be submitted to Snapchat support team, and within few days Snapchat team will connect to you and solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.